Hey everyone, it's Chris Pombano back in the ESGI booth live on Facebook. I'm here with my friend Kim Giordano from Kinder by Kim.
Hi everybody.
And she just finished her mini presentation here in the ESGI booth. They had cupcakes, but they ran out of cupcakes. Kim didn't even get a cupcake.
Cupcakes with Kim, but Kim did not get one.
I know. So we'll have to go to Carlos's together after this and get a cupcake. Now, I heard your flight. What's going on with your flight situation? You're flying out.
Southwest apparently is down all over the United States, and I'm supposed to be leaving in a couple hours, so I might have time to go get that cupcake.
Get a cupcake. So if anyone has a ride going, where are you heading to? You're heading home?
Orange County, California.
So if anyone's going to California, maybe stop by the booth. She might need a ride. All right, Kim, tell us a little bit about your presentation. It was packed with teachers in this booth. Tell us a little bit about what you talked about.
Okay, I'm so excited because I am doing Super Readers in Kindergarten, part of Lucy Calkins' reading program, and I have created, I am not used to that big old microphone in my face. I made Super Reader capes for my kiddos to wear when they're showing their superpowers. I also made some cute superhero toilet paper roll little kiddos. And then they have to practice their super sight words. And ESGI is so awesome because I can test their words on my computer, on an iPad with a parent, and I can find out ever so quickly what words they know that they can be highlighted and put in their super sight word reader folders that they keep in their reading box. And let's see here. After I test my kiddos, they get in certain colors, rainbow colors, superheroes, ooh, ah. And as they learn them, they get a red one. And then if they learn the red words, they learn the yellow. And I'm big on little gummies, so they get little treats as they earn each one.
And what Kim's done is on ESGI, she's actually color-coded her sight words. So while she's testing them, the sight words will pop up in the color that correlates with her list. So it's super awesome, and she can easily see where her kids are at on each list. So I love that you did that.
I was kind of excited about it, too. This is new for me, so I got them all color-coded. They match, and I'll be able to differentiate my kids' reading instruction, or at least their sight words, by what they know. And then I have to show you just a couple other little guys I made. We have made some superhero puppets. This is kindergarten, remember? You got to keep the fun and the joy in kindergarten. And then I have my super reader cape on the back and have their families practice their sight words. And let's see. Oh, yes. Wait, I have two versions of my reading sticks. I don't know if they landed. Here we go. Let's just throw things around. You can either make your own little reading stick or you can put their head on there, which kindergartners is very self-centered. It's way more fun to fly your own head around and then point and find your words in the room. And then last but not least, we are going to be having superhero sight word crowns this year. So each week we will have a new sight word and they will wear their super reader crowns around the room. So ESGI has made it possible for me to do the crafting because I don't have to spend so much time working on the computer and assessing. I can just bang it out really quickly.
I love it. It's all themed for the super reading, so the kids will really feel like superheroes in our classroom. Thank you so much, Kim, for joining us.
This was great fun. Thanks, Chris.
No problem. And make sure you follow Kim on Facebook. She's tagging this video, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye.